After the ta'awuz, we read Bismillah. Bismillah in Arabic is Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Raheem. Let's break it down again. When we start this, there is a ba, and then the ba is with the Kasra. So B, we drop the lower lip to make the E sound. And after the ba with the Kasra, we have the Seen Sakin. Now, Seen characteristic is whistle. So we will say bis. Give tiny bit of amount of time more to the Seen like you would normally do, and then it will give you the whistle there, okay? Again, bis. And then we have a meme with the Kasra. Again, keep your lip down. Bismillah. Now, after the meme, we have the harf al-jalala. Harf al-jalala is the word Allah in Quran. We call it harf al-jalala for the respect. So when the harf al-jalala comes, and there is the kasra haraka before it, the vowel of kasra before the harf al-jalala, we read the word very softly. Millah. Let's start from the beginning. Bismillah. And then it's followed by the ha, and the ha is joined with the ra. Ra has a shadda. Remember, whenever the shadda word comes in the Quran, we emphasize on it, right? So it will be like Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So you are reading the both ra's in this word, right? Again, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we have the ha sakin. This ha comes from the middle of the throat. Stay on it, right? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When you stay on the ha sakin, you give it ample amount of time, you give it appropriate amount of time, in fact, and then it's like all these characteristics can be applied just by giving it more time, right? Not more time, but like when you do it fast, like Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and then Bismillahirrahman, then that is the ha sound. At the end, we have the ra with the shadda again. We will emphasize on it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then noon with the kasra, drop the lip, and ra, emphasize, right? Ar-Rahim. Last word, we will lengthen it about 4 counts, right? And then we have the meme sakin. The last sakin letters are the most ignored ones in our tilawa. Always make sure you give them the time. So listen carefully for all the sakins here, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jazakumullahu khairan. Subscribe and stay tuned.